Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to indicate that you are not interested in a particular tweet, so you won't encounter that kind of content anymore from that user on the Twitter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and find that one comment that you are not interested in. Click on the three dots icon next to it and tap on not interested in this tweet. As you can see, you have three options that you can select from, such as show fewer tweets from this user, this tweet isn't recent, this tweet isn't relevant. So these will serve as an explanation why you have tapped on this not interested button. So click on the relevant one, and as you can see, Twitter will use this to make your timeline better. However, if you want to undo this, tap on the undo button next to it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.